Welcome back to another crafty DIY. Today we're going to turn these shells into trinket/jewelry holders. You're going to want to stay around, guys. We are going to be painting them and decoupaging them. All right. If you're not already subscribed, why not? We have a lot of fun around here. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Okay, but first we need to paint them. So I'm using DIY paint, which is a clay-based paint. So no primer needed, it goes straight onto these shells. I'm going to do 2 coats and then we're going to move on to the next step. All the products that you see me using here today can be found on my website at iwanttocraft.com. Link will be below. Okay, so now before we decoupage this onto the shell, we need to remove that backing. Usually it comes with 2 plies, sometimes only 1, but it's really important to remove it because it will not stick if you don't. I just pinched the corner and it just comes right off. Now I'm going to add some liquid patina to the shell. It's a decoupage medium, transfer medium, and a sealer all in one. That's all you're going to need, guys. So I'm going to put a good amount of liquid patina on here, and then we're going to add the napkin. Okay, now the fun part. You're going to apply the napkin gently. Don't press too hard. You can also use saran wrap or a plastic bag. Sometimes your fingers can cause it to rip. Then I'm just going to add another layer of liquid patina, and I'm just going to go straight to the edge, and then we're actually going to make sure that the edge is nice and wet, and that way we can just peel it off just like that. All the products that I'm using here today you can find on my website at iwanttocraft.com. If you would like a supply list for everything that I'm doing here today, the link will be below. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and share it to a friend. All right, so this next one, I'm using the exact same method. I'm just using this very pretty napkin. So now I'm adding a liquid patina called Pennies from Heaven, which is a copper patina. It just adds that perfect edge and finish to this little trinket jewelry holder. And for this last one, I am cutting out this butterfly, and I'm going to apply it the exact same way that I did the other 2. The possibilities are endless to what you can use these for. I know a lot of people take their rings off before they wash their hands or do their dishes. That would be really cute, or even some decorative soaps. So many ideas, guys. Okay, in the comments below, you've got to let me know which one is your favorite. Is it the blue one? Is it the one with just the butterfly, or the flower one? I want to know which one is your favorite. Also, let me know what you think about this. I am painting the back of this with the copper patina. Should I leave it natural or should I paint it? Let me know below. All right, guys, until next time, keep crafting, stay safe, and be happy.